Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, in this lesson we will learn that how to find all irreducible polynomials of some fixed degree m over any finite field fq. And in this process we will use primitive elements and minimal polynomials. And first of all, we recall that for every finite field fq, and every positive divisor n, there exists an irreducible polynomial over fq of degree n. This we know already in our previous lessons. We have learned this, that we have proved this, that for every finite field fq and every positive integer n, there exists an irreducible polynomial in the polynomial ring fqx of degree n. That is, we can find irreducible polynomial of each degree over any finite field fq. Also, we have proved in our previous lessons that if f is any irreducible polynomial over a finite field fq of degree m, then this polynomial will be a divisor of this special polynomial if and only if m is a divisor of n. So it means if we have some irreducible polynomial of degree m, and then this polynomial could be a divisor of this polynomial if and only if the degree of this polynomial divides this number n. Also, we have proved that if f is an irreducible polynomial over any finite field fq of degree m, then f has at least one root, say alpha, in this field fq power m. That is, if we take any irreducible polynomial in fqx of degree m, then this polynomial must have at least one root alpha in this field fq power m. Furthermore, all the roots of f are simple and are given by m distinct powers of alpha. This we already know. And now we will prove this simple result that each monic irreducible polynomial of the polynomial ring fqx of degree m is in fact the minimal polynomial of some element of fq power m over fq. That is, each monic irreducible polynomial over the field fq of degree m will be a minimal polynomial of some element in this field fq power m, and here m is the degree of the polynomial. Yes, we have taken an irreducible here. Irreducible polynomial, monic irreducible polynomial is taken over the field fq, and it's and this polynomial will be a minimal polynomial of some element in this field fq power m. Here m is the degree of this polynomial. Or this theorem can also be stated in another way, that if f is any arbitrary monic irreducible polynomial of degree m, then this f will be a minimal polynomial of some alpha over the field fq, and this alpha belongs to the field fq power m, where m is the degree of f. Whenever we have any monic irreducible polynomial of degree m, then this polynomial will be a minimal polynomial of some element in the field fq power m. So the message of this theorem is very clear, that each monic irreducible polynomial is in fact a minimal polynomial. Each monic irreducible polynomial of degree m over any field fq is in fact a minimal polynomial of some element in this field. Yes, and now the proof is very simple. Suppose that we take an arbitrary polynomial which is monic and irreducible, and it has degree m, and we have to prove that this f is a minimal polynomial of some element alpha, and that element belongs to the field fq power m. And now, by the previous result that we have mentioned the result here, that if f is any irreducible polynomial of degree m, then f has some root in the field fq power m. Yes, and by using this result, And this monic polynomial, irreducible polynomial, must have some root, let's say alpha, in the field fq power m. So it means now this alpha will be algebraic over the field fq. That is, alpha must be a root of some minimal polynomial. This we knows that every algebraic element must have some minimal polynomial. And this is an extension of finite fields, and in finite field extension, every element of the bigger field is algebraic over the smallest field. So again, see, we suppose that f is an arbitrary monic irreducible polynomial with degree m. Then by the result mentioned in the previous slide, f has at least one root in the field fq power m. And now alpha must have some, must be a root of some monic polynomial, irreducible polynomial in the field fq. And this is by definition and characterization of minimal polynomials. We have that the minimal polynomial of this element alpha must be equal to f. Because we know that every algebraic elements must have at least one minimal polynomial, and that is the and if we see the characterizations of minimal polynomial, we know that every monic irreducible polynomial which has alpha as a root must be a minimal polynomial of that alpha. We know that if we have some polynomial over the field fq which is monic and irreducible, and alpha is its root, then that polynomial must be a minimal polynomial of that alpha. This is from we have this is from the characterizations of minimal polynomials. If you see in your previous lessons, I don't remember the lecture number, but in some lecture we have proved the characterizations of minimal polynomial, and here, because alpha is a root of uh, alpha is a root of f, and f is monic and irreducible, therefore f will be a minimal polynomial of this element alpha. So in this theorem we prove that each irreducible monic polynomial of degree m must be a monic polynomial of some element alpha in the field fq power m. So if after proving this very simple result, very easy result, we can find all irreducible polynomials of degree m over any finite field fq, because now we have proved that each monic irreducible polynomial is in fact a minimal polynomial. So if we can find all minimal polynomials of all the elements in fq, then we can find all monic irreducible polynomials over fq. So if we find all minimal polynomials, and we know that how to find minimal polynomial of all elements in the field fq, and if we succeeded to find all minimal polynomials, then among these minimal polynomials, we can find all monic irreducible polynomials over fq of degree m. And if we have monic irreducible polynomials, then by multiplying by non-zero constant, we will obtain all irreducible polynomials. Remember that multiplying by non-zero constant to any irreducible polynomial does not affect its irreducibility. That is, if a polynomial is irreducible, after multiplying it with some non-zero constant, it will remain irreducible. So it means if we obtain all monic irreducible polynomials, then by multiplying with all non-zero constant one by one, we will obtain all irreducible polynomials of degree m over a finite field. And that is, we have a remark that each monic irreducible polynomial over the field fq of degree m can be found in the set of all minimal polynomials of elements of fq. So this time, if we want to find all monic irreducible polynomials of some fixed degree m, then first of all we have to find all the minimal polynomials of elements of fq power m, and from these minimal polynomials we have to choose all polynomials of degree m. Or in other words, each monic irreducible polynomial of degree m can be found in factorization of this polynomial. We know that if we multiply all monic polynomials, we get the factorization of this polynomial. So all the minimal polynomials of elements of f cube power m are in fact the factors of this polynomial. Therefore, all monic irreducible polynomials can be found in either in the factors of this polynomial, or you can say in the set of all minimal polynomials of elements of this field. And the procedure is explained with the help of example. It is very easy process. For example, in this example, we want to find all irreducible polynomials of degree 4 over the field f2. Our target is to find all irreducible polynomials of degree 4 over the field f2. So by previous theorem, so we know that each monic irreducible polynomial over fq is a minimal polynomial of some element in fq power m. And now here in this example, the degree of polynomial is 4. So we have to find all the minimal polynomials of the field fq of the elements of the field f2 power 4, that is f16. And from these minimal polynomials, we have to choose the polynomials of degree 2, and we will obtain all monic irreducible polynomials of degree 2. But here the field has characteristic 2, so all the polynomials, irreducible polynomials, will be monic. So here there is no here is no tension about monic and non-monic polynomials over the field f2. So again, see what is the process. We have to find all irreducible polynomials of degree 2, 4 over f2. And we know, see in the previous remark, that each such polynomial will be found in the set of minimal polynomials of elements of fq power m. So first of all, we will take the field f2 power 4, that is f16. And we will find all the minimal polynomials of elements of f16. And in the previous lesson, we have learned very well how to find uh, the minimal polynomials for all elements by using the primitive elements. So we repeat that process. Let theta be a primitive element, theta satisfy this relation, then these are the cyclotomic cosets, and we will find all minimal polynomials. We know very well the process of finding minimal polynomials, and after finding these minimal polynomials, and these four elements have same minimal polynomial, these four also have same. And here notice that in the cyclotomic cosets we have two cyclotomic cosets of cardinality of order 4. Therefore, we will get we have three cyclotomic cosets of C1, C3 and C7. C3 cyclotomic cosets have cardinality 4 in this. Therefore, we will get three reducible polynomials monic of degree 4. From here we get the message that we will get three such polynomials of degree 4. And you can see in the list of all the polynomials, this is a polynomial of degree 4, this is the second polynomial, and this is the third. So in this way we get all the irreducible polynomials of degree 4 over f2 that are given here. And notice that this process gives only monic irreducible polynomials. But over the field f2, the monic and non-monic polynomials are same, because in f2 we have only 0 and 1 non-zero coefficients. So if polynomial is irreducible, it will be automatically monic. So all the polynomials are monic. So we are done in this case. We find these are the polynomials of degree 4 which are irreducible over the field f2. Now see another example. In this example, we want to find all irreducible polynomials of degree 2 over the field f3. And what is the process? Again, see carefully. The process is the following. First, we have to consider the field f3 power 2, that is f9. And we have to find all the minimal polynomials of elements of f9. And we know the method how to find minimal polynomial for all the elements. And you note from the cyclotomic cosets, note that we have three cyclotomic cosets of order 2 of cardinality 2. Therefore, we will get 3 polynomials of degree 2 in this set. And these polynomial will be monic. This process, again see, this process will give us the monic irreducible polynomials. Again see, in this remark, each monic irreducible polynomial can be found. But our actual target is all irreducible polynomials. But this can be handled very easily by multiplying with non-zero constants. As I have mentioned earlier, that this is not a problem. Well, first of all, we have to find all monic irreducible polynomials of degree. Here, first of all, we will find all monic irreducible polynomials of degree 2, and then we will convert it into all irreducible polynomials of degree 2. So here we have three cosets of cardinality 2. So from here we get message that there will be 3 monic irreducible polynomials of degree 2. So you know very well the process how to find all minimal polynomials. A minimal polynomial of 0 is trivial how to find, but minimal polynomials of non-zero elements can be found by using the cyclotomic coset. C0 is used here, C1 and C3 are used here, C2 is used here, and so on. So we get these three. Among these polynomial, we have this polynomial has degree 2, this has degree 2, and this has. We have 3 polynomials of degree 2, which are irreducible and monic. But our actual target is to find all irreducible polynomial. Here we have find all monic irreducible polynomial. They are only 3. Yes. But our actual target is, here we have found only monic polynomials, but our actual target is all irreducible polynomials. So monic irreducible polynomials are 3, but we know that if f is an irreducible polynomial, if and only if multiplying it with any non-zero constant, it will remain irreducible. So if we multiply, uh, we have these 3 monic irreducible polynomials, but we want to find all irreducible polynomials. We will multiply each of these polynomials by non-zero constant, and we have only, in F3 we have only 3 elements. That is in F3 we have only 3 elements, 0, 1 and 2. So if we multiply by 1, we will again get the same polynomials. But if we multiply here by 2, we will get these 3 more polynomials. That is this. Multiplying this by 2, we will get this polynomial. Multiplying this by 2, we will get this polynomial. So in this way, we have total 6 irreducible polynomials of degree 2 over the field F3. And notice that if the field is bigger, let's say if field has more elements, then we can get more irreducible polynomials by multiplying with other non-zero elements. So this is the process. I hope you understand. First, in this process, first of all we find all minimal polynomials of the elements of F9. Then from these minimal polynomials we choose polynomials of degree 2, but these are only monic, and our target is to find all irreducible polynomials. Then we take these 3 polynomials and multiplying these polynomial with non-zero constant from this field, and in this field we have 2 non-zero constant, 1 and 2. If we multiplying these polynomials by 1, we get again these polynomial. But if we multiply these polynomials by 2, we get 3 more polynomials. In this way, we get total 6 irreducible polynomials of degree 2 over the field F3. So this is the process of that how to find all irreducible polynomials of any degree over any field. You can take more examples, and for the practice you have to take more examples. For example, you can find all irreducible polynomials of degree 2 over F8, of degree 3 over F3, and so on. You can also take more examples for the practice, and these are the references here, and I close this lesson here, and thank you very much for your attention, and Allah Hafiz.